Let me show you the intricate details of the 2019 Loft model. It's one of our best sellers, and let me show you why. So as we approach the cabin here, you can see it's got nice double French doors. The lock and the key come with this bunkie, and there's also a side window here that opens up, and it's easy to put a screen on. Let me show you the inside. So as we come inside, you can see that like all of our bunkies, this one finishes really nice on the inside. And there's the window that I showed you earlier, and there's also a nice side ladder and another additional side window that comes standard with the kit. Now if you want, you can add on more windows as well for basically $200 a window. And let me also show you the interior if you can get a good view. That is a queen size bed that fits very nicely. And then over here on the other side of the ladder, you can see I've got actually a pretty big chair. It's a big comfy lounge chair. And then also a little writer's desk and a little chair there. And then there's a fair bit of room in the corner there as well. And I heat this whole cabin with a little ceramic heater there in the corner, and then an electric blanket on the bed. And I've had guests stay all winter. It's not an insulated building, so it does get a little cold if it gets quite cold outside, but down to about -5, -10, it's pretty good. Now let me show you the coolest thing. I'm climbing up the ladder here. The ladder comes standard with the kit, as well as the railing, and here is the loft for the kit. I've added a little air conditioning unit, which is awesome for the summer, just so the cabin doesn't get too hot. And there's also a window there that opens up, and it's easy to put a screen on as well, so you can get some breeze if you don't want to put the air conditioning unit or if you're off grid. And this whole area here, I've got some mattresses and stuff in here right now, but basically it fits 2 singles or a queen size mattress, and you can sleep 2 people. It's cozy, but definitely doable. So a lot of our customers will have, the sleeping quarters up here, and then down here, instead of a bed, they'll have like a little kitchenette or a little lounge area or like a TV kind of thing. So the whole thing itself is 100 square feet of interior space on the bottom, plus about 50 square feet for the bed. And you don't need a permit for it because the footprint is under 107 square feet or 10 square meters. So in Canada, or at least in Ontario, you don't need a permit. Another great feature about our 2019 Loft model is that all of the French door windows, which are tempered glass, as well as the window over there, they come standard double pane windows. That's basically my little tour of the 2019 Loft model. Like I say, it's a very popular model, and if you're interested in buying it, shoot me a message or give us a call at 1-866-4-BUNKIE.